Let's crochet the basket of the bunny with apricot yarn together. We will need to start with magic ring and work 3 chain stitches, then work 12 double crochet for round 1, totally 12 stitches. Make your left palm facing you. Hold the yarn tail and loop the yarn once around your pinky. And loop the yarn around your index finger and middle finger as well, so that it makes an X in front of your fingers. Insert hook into this loop, pull the left yarn through. Rotate the hook to make a loop on hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to make 1 magic ring. Slip off the magic ring. Wrapping the yarn around your index finger with the magic ring facing you. Hold on the ring with your thumb and middle finger. This stitch made out of the magic ring counts as the first chain stitch here. Repeat 2 more times to work 3 chain stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work the second chain stitch. The third chain stitch. You can see 3 V-shaped stitches. Now, we need to work 1 double crochet. Yarn over, we can see 2 loops on hook. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. See 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops to make 1 double crochet. Mark the first double crochet stitch with the stitch marker. Yarn over. Insert hook into the hole of the magic ring, yarn over and pull yarn through the hole. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops to make the second double crochet. Repeat 10 more times to work 12 double crochet. The third double crochet. Four. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. Now, we have finished totally 12 stitches for round 1. We can count the stitches together. Started from the marking stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold the yarn tail and pull tight to close up the ring. Insert hook into the marking first stitch to work 1 slip stitch. We can put the yarn tail on hook while crocheting to hide it. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. So, we have finished round 1. For round 2, we need to work 12 double crochet increase, totally 24 stitches. Work 3 chain stitches first. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. The second chain stitch. 3. Yarn over. Insert hook into the first stitch of round 1, yarn over and pull yarn through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops to work 1 double crochet. Mark this first double crochet stitch. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the same stitch and work another double crochet. Got 1 double crochet increase, see to stitches. Yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch of round 1 and work to double crochet to make 1 double crochet increase. Repeat with 10 more double crochet increase. The third double crochet increase. Four. Five. Six. Seven. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 'Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 2. For round 3 to round 4, we need to work 24 double crochet each round, totally 24 stitches each round. Work 3 chain stitches first. The second chain stitch, 3. See 3 chain stitches. Yarn over. Insert hook into the first stitch of round 2, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops to make 1 double crochet. Mark this first double crochet stitch. Repeat double crochet to finish 24 double crochet for round 3. Now, the last double crochet of round 3. Work 1 slip stitch in the marking stitch to finish round 3. Repeat 24 double crochet in the same way as round 3 to finish round 4. Finished round 4. For round 5, we need to work 19 chain stitches and 1 slip stitch to fasten off on the other side, totally 19 stitches. Yarn over and pull through the loop on hook to work 1 chain stitch. Repeat 18 more times to work 19 chain stitches. Got 19 chain stitches. Insert hook into the symmetrical stitch on the other side of the basket to work 1 slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Pull the first loop through the second loop to finish round 5. Work 1 chain stitch and pull the yarn to leave an 1-inch long tail. Cut off the yarn and pull tight. Insert needle into the inner stitches of the basket and draw yarn through to hide it. Now, we have finished the basket of the bunny.